Because people put it on them on their nose and go outside too.
You're supposed to put it on your nose to help keep your airways open. That's why I bought it.
Am I in the camera? I
Yeah.
was in the camera. You just showed all my naps. All my rough edges.
We are downtown,
Mount Elliott.
120 Mount Elliott Street. Taking a nice walk because it's 80 degrees outside. Just had a wonderful dinner. My husband took me and my daughter out to dinner. Come on, Delbert. You want to go look around out here? You coming, Money?
Chilling.
What's these little brick things? I mean, not bricks. What the hell? Can you open that? Did that top come open? What is it supposed to do? See if that top open. Oh, so it's for getting on kids climbing on, taking pictures, huh?
No climbing. Oh, I guess they jump up here.
This is soft. This thing I'm walking on, you sink in.
Kids can't get hurt.
So why would they tell kids not to climb on the shit and they built it? Now they know damn well kids is gonna climb on this. Look. No climbing. Hold on. What is that over there? People sitting over there talking.
This is pretty. You look over the bushes.
Yeah, I'm going.
Rocks.
What is that over there?
That's Belle Isle Bridge.
Oh. You can't fish right here.
No,
You can fish down there though.
smell fish.
Ain't no fish out there. Where is fish out there, bud? What does that say?
Downtown Mount Elliott, Park Plaza, Belle Isle, Gabriel Richard Park, Detroit Riverwalk. Shane Park. Gabriel Richard
Oh, they
Park.
telling you how many miles it is. But see, this Joe Louis Arena, Coble Hall, Art Plaza.
They got the fish with them.
Oh, really? Oh, look at them spiders hanging on there. You better not lean on that.
Look how big that spider is. See it right there? Look how big he is. That's a big motherfucker.
When you come down here, don't lean on these railings. You're going to get a surprise. There's some big ass huge spiders down here.
Look at it. He'll bite the shit out you. Here go another one. Here go another one.
Where?
Right here. Right there and right there. They all up in there, girl.
And you know, usually I would come out here and start leaning because I'm tired. Double, stop setting them on fire.
Big.
Double, you'll bring no spider here.
No, I ain't catching them. I ain't touching them things. Them motherfuckers probably bite.
It's pretty though.
Yep, it is.
All right. Good night, Detroit.